If you want to use BibleShow in various versions, then the best thing you need to do is to go ahead and add various Bible versions on your BibleShow program. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install various Bible versions on your BibleShow program. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So as you can see, I've already installed my BibleShow program here. Then this is BibleShow 5. Once you have installed, go ahead and double click on it to open. Now the good thing is BibleShow allows you to install any Bible version and use it directly within this program. Currently, this is the default program that I installed with, and currently I have this module, King James Version only. To install other versions, go ahead and look for options. Under options here, you can see we have theme, configure, preferences, and then Bibles. Click on Bibles, and here you'll see various Bible versions that you can install, and you realize there are so many. So you can install as many as you want, and the good thing is they are all offered for free. So I'll go ahead and install the New American Standard Version of 2020 as the first version. I'll click on install here, and as you can see, the installation is on. So be patient as it is downloaded and installed. And finally, now the New American Standard Bible has been installed. You can see the status has changed here, and to see all the versions that are installed, you can see them under references here. Currently I have King James Version and also the NASB, that is the New American Standard Bible. Now go ahead and repeat this for all the other versions that you will wish. For instance, I'll go ahead again and install the New King James Version. I'll look for New King James Version, and you can see we have here New King James Version. We have the 1982 version. I'll go ahead again and click on install, and the installation process will commence immediately. And here we go. It's done. It has been added on our list. Here it is. So go ahead and find or install all the versions that you wish. And here you can switch between versions as you wish by selecting on any here, and it will be displayed here. So for instance, if you want to use New King James Version, you can just choose it, go to the book you wish, and you can choose the chapter and then the verse. And as you can see, it will be displayed here. You can now mirror it on the screens. So that's how you can install various Bible versions on BibleShow program. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.